Hi guys, this is me Rohit Varkade Motivation. You have seen me on my Facebook page Rohit Varkade Motivation, where I share motivational videos with you guys to always keep you motivated. So in this small session of English learning language, we'll discuss some common sentences which you can use, like if you want to ask a person how he is or what's happening in his life. So in spite of asking a basic question, how are you, you can use some creative ways or some creative vocabulary words to ask a person what's happening in his life. So let's discuss some of the most uncommon words which you can use and show your English vocabulary pro skills. So the number one is how's everything. It is a very basic sentence, but it looks good. So you can use this word. Apart from this, how's it going? It is a wonderful word. And how are things? You can ask about how are things in your life. You can ask a simple basic thing, but it is an informal way of asking a person how are you, what's up. But this is not a formal way of asking a person how are you. So you can avoid this sentence if you want. And apart from this, you can ask how are you doing, what's new, and are you all right. You can ask this, are you all right. And apart from this, you can ask some basic sentences like how are things going on in your life. This is a big long sentence, but you can ask this also. Apart from this, how you're feeling, what are you up to, and what do you do. This is a very simple and common sentence which you can use in spite of asking just how are you. So it will also show your language skills, and if any other person asks you also, you can also better understand them. Apart from this, you have one more sentence which comes in my mind right now is howdy. Howdy Modi Saab, which you witnessed in America some days ago. A big grand event happened in America is howdy Modi. So in that word howdy Modi, howdy means how are you Modi. So let's once again revisit on those words which you can use in spite of using a simple sentence like how are you. So these are some of the sentences which you can use to ask a person what's happening in their life, like how's everything, how's it going, how are things, what's up, how are you doing, what's new, are you all right, how are things going, how are you feeling, what you're up to, how do you do, and howdy. So these are some of the most basic sentences but very useful sentences which you can use to show your English language skills.